problem 16. It reads, the above table shows production points on Sweet Tooth Land's production possibilities frontier. What is the opportunity cost of one chocolate bar if Sweet Tooth Land moves from point A to point B? So the first thing I'm going to do is draw this table real quick. I'm just going to draw points A and B. Chocolate bars in the first column, and cans of cola. 0, 10, 100, 90. So it's asking what the opportunity cost of one chocolate bar is from point A to point B. So we're moving from A to B. So when we move from A to B, we have to figure out what the change in chocolate bars is first. And that is 10. You gain 10 chocolate bars going from 0 to 10 from A to B. So we have 10 chocolate bars. And we have to figure out what happens with the cans of cola when we move from A to B. We go from 100 to 90, so that's 10 cans of cola. So we lose 10 cans of cola. So basically, the ratio ends up being very neat 1-to-1, meaning that for every one chocolate bar, we lose 1 can of cola. And remember that an opportunity cost is simply what you give up as a result of producing any given product. So for every, what this basically means is that for every chocolate bar going from point A to point B, for every chocolate bar you're producing, you're giving up the ability to produce 1 can of cola. And this won't be the same between all points. Just looking at the table here, I see that from point B to C, it goes from 90 to 70. So that's going to be a loss of 20. And over here, you still go from 10 to 20, meaning you're still only getting 10. So in this case, you're going to lose, from B to C, you would lose 2 cans of cola for every chocolate bar. So it's whenever you're figuring out the opportunity costs, it's quite literally what it is you're giving up as a result of producing any given product, any given good. And here it's important to recognize that it's asking you the opportunity cost of one chocolate bar. Because if it were to just ask you what's the opportunity cost of moving from point A to point B, then you would have to say 10 cans of cola, because the total opportunity cost from moving point A to point B is you're losing 10 cans of cola. But it's asking you what the opportunity cost of one chocolate bar is. So you have to make sure that you not only figure out how many cans of cola you're giving up, but you have to figure out how much it breaks down to per chocolate bar. So in this case, it is one can of cola, which is answer choice E.